Hi guys, it's the start of a new year, and with the start of a new year means new candle fragrances. That's right. We've already got our spring box in from Milkhouse, and we're going to do the revealing together so that you guys can see with us what fragrances have come in. I don't cut myself first, right? Yay! Excited, excited, excited. All right. All right, new fragrances for the spring line. Ooh, guys, they brought out 4 fantastic fragrances here in the box I'm going to share with you. The first one, for all you coffee lovers, caramel cold brew. Right? All right, let's smell this one. I love caramel macchiato breve, so I wonder if this is similar. Oh, that is good. Strong coffee, caramel infusions, cream, and also some vanilla undertones as well. This is a wonderful candle, guys. Caramel cold brew. So if you want something that'll be a neutralizer, but something that's not going to be overpowering just coffee, this would be a great alternative. Next, we have plums and elderberry. So this one's going to be a fruity fragrance, and we all love our fruit when it comes to spring. Oh, wow. Okay, so when you smell a raspberry, you kind of have that nice musky smell into it too. I believe elderberry is very similar. You can definitely smell the plum right off because it's really sweet. And then the undertones of the elderberry come through. Oh, this is wonderful. This is awesome. It's called berry plum sugar. It's plums and elderberry. And that's exactly what it smells like, are the berries. That smells wonderful. All right, next we have Moonlit Meadow. This one right here is in a different container because the first one is, they're all Milkhouse, okay? But this one is part of the farmhouse line, which is why it's going to be in the 10. Moonlit Meadow says rain, violet, and earthy tones. So this is going to be a natural fragrance. Oh, wow, that smells so good and clean. It smells like, you know, like if you take a shower and you have that really fresh, clean smell afterwards, that's exactly what it smells like. Maybe even like a little bit of a clean lotion smell. I don't know how to explain that even more. Moonlit Meadow, it says rain, violet, and earthy. So it's a very natural fragrance. So this is a must-have if you like natural fragrances, not foods or flour. Last but not least, we have peaches and poppy. I love it. Poppies, I've never smelled a poppy. I don't know what that smells like. Definitely peaches though. And it's a sweeter peach smell. And the poppies come through, I think, if I know this from being a poppy, the poppy has a greener smell. So you have like the peaches with a little bit of a greener smell, and it gives it a nice combination. So it's not overly sweet. So if you want something that you can burn anywhere in the house, peaches and poppies. That's another clean smell. So this right here is 4 of them. And I have to say on here, they also have a little sticky note that I want to read here. It says Strawberry Dreams. It's another fragrance. They didn't send it, but they wanted us to read it. So Strawberry Dreams, it's a delectable notes of sun-sweetened strawberry and juicy raspberry. And it also has sugared vanilla undertones. So again, strawberry, raspberry, and vanilla. And again, that raspberry gives that nice vanilla roll anyways. So that's going to be a nice, wonderful smell. Last but not least, chocolate kisses. Why? Because February is what? Valentine's Day. Thinking of chocolate. It says here, an irresistible blend of velvety chocolate, fluffy marshmallow, and a kiss of caramel. So now you don't have to do the guesswork and bite each chocolate out of one of those boxes of chocolate hearts. Now you know exactly what that chocolate kiss is. So with that, I wanted to let you know all of our candle orders are going to be going in here shortly so that we can bring you these new fragrances. If you happen to come in before and you want us to special order any sizes for you, come see us. We've got these samples here for you. We'd love for you to be able to look at the actual lineup. We actually have the book. So if you want to see all the fragrances lined out, you can. And we will be here, the candles, excuse me, will be here the first week of February. Letting you know that because You have Valentine's stuff coming out. You also have the spring line that carries a lot of the flower fragrances and stuff like that that are already out. So these are going to be in addition to. So if you're looking for a new fragrance for your home to get past the holidays and start your new year off, come see us with Milkhouse candles. See you later.